Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the next President of the United States, Donald J. Trump.
I am your voice. So to every parent who dreams for their child, and every child who dreams for their future, I say these words to you tonight. I am with you.
Donald Trump, a name that has dominated headline boardrooms and ballot boxes from his real estate empire in New York City to the White House in Washington, D.C. Trump's life is a story of bold ambition, controversy, and global influence. This is the full biography of the 45th President of the United States, Donald Trump. Donald John Trump was born on June 14, 1946 in Queens, New York City. He was the fourth of 5 children born to Fred and Mary Trump. His father, Fred Trump, was a successful real estate developer, building affordable housing for middle-class families in New York. Trump attended the New York Military Academy at the age of 13, where he developed discipline and leadership skills. He later studied at Fordham University and then transferred to the Wharton School at the University of Pennsylvania, graduating in 1968 with a degree in economics. After college, Donald joined his father's real estate company, later remaining it the Trump Organization. In the 1970s and 80s, Trump spent into Manhattan real estate, creating luxury buildings like Trump Tower, hotels, casinos, and golf courses. He became a public figure known for his bold style, media appearances, and catchphrases. In 2004, he gained global fame as the host of NBC The Apprentice, where he coined the phrase "You're fired." Despite several bankruptcies in his casino businesses, Trump remained a symbol of wealth, success, and controversy. In 2015, Trump shocked the world by announcing his candidacy for president as a Republican. His campaign focused on immigration, economic nationalism, and making America great again. He defied expectation, defeating a crowded field of Republican contenders and ultimately beating Hillary Clinton in the 2016 election despite losing the popular vote. On January 20, 2017, Donald Trump was sworn in as the 45th President of the United States. Trump's presidency was marked by major tax cuts, deregulation, a strong stock market, and the appointment of 3 Supreme Court justices. He pulled the U.S. out of the Paris Climate Accord, renegotiated trade deals, and pursued a thug stance on China. But his time in office was also filled with controversy, from the Russia investigation to his impeachment in 2019 over dealing with Ukraine. He was acquitted by the Senate in 2020 as COVID-19 swept across the world. Trump's response became a central issue in his re-election campaign. He lost the 2020 election to Joe Biden but claimed widespread voter fraud, a claim that led to the Capitol riot on January 6, 2021. After leaving office, Trump remained a dominant figure in American politics. He faced multiple investigations and was indicted in several criminal cases, a historic first for a former US president. Despite the legal challenges, Trump announced his campaign for the 2024 president election, aiming to return to the White House. Donald Trump remains one of the most polarizing and influential figures in modern American history. Loved by many and criticized by others, his legacy continues to shape politics, media and culture. From billionaire real estate mogul to president of the United States, this is the story of Donald Trump. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more powerful biographies.